Okay guys, I'll put all the ingredients now.
Ayan na siya. Nilagay ko na yung 2 cups of flour. Tapos nilagay ko siya ng baking powder. Baking powder lang yung nilagay guys. Mix lang natin yung maigi. 2 cup lang itong flour natin. Oh my gosh. Hindi ko na pinakita yung paano yung flour guys. Kasi ang hirap. So hard. So hard. It's so difficult guys if you don't have anyone. Huwag kang karamay. Para mag-video, trying. Yeah, we have to make it. We have to make it. Then mix natin ng maigi para siya. Nilagyan ko pala siya ng guys. Nilagyan ko siya ng bobo pa siya. Nilagyan ko pa siya ng cinnamon. Cinnamon powder. Nilagyan ko ng cinnamon para iba to guys mix. Coffee, cinnamon, diba? Cake lang. Okay.
Ayan, lagyan natin ng 2 coffee. Coffee. Mahirap talaga pag yung isang kamay mo, video, charing, vlogger pa more. Ayan. Mahirap mag-video while nagano. Ayan. Isang kutsara. Isang kalahati lang. Or I think enough this one. Coffee. This is a coffee.
Oh my gosh. I think I put too much coffee. And we hope it will taste good. Then guys, let's try. This is my first time to make coffee cake. And I don't know. And I hope it will taste good. Let's try. Okay. Wait, I will mix it.
Charang! This is my cake. O, diba? Naluto na siya, guys. Let's see. It's cooked. Diba? So nice. Okay.
Ayan yung toppings natin guys. Ayan. Lagyan natin to sa ating milk chocolate. Iba-ibang flavor. Mix nuts. Tapos may caramel, galaxy caramel. Tapos ito yung 3. Tapos may hazelnut charing. Diba? Ilan yung milk chocolate? 4, 5. 6. Caramel pala. Ayan, ilagay natin dito. Kaya ilagay natin sa topping sa atong chocolate cake. Ay, chocolate cake. Coffee cake. Ayan, chocolate lang yung itopping natin. Mata yung Okay, wait. Ayan guys, lalusawin natin yung chocolate na natin. Diba? Ayan na lang natin. Pasatan yung apoy natin. Sana siya. I think it's good naman. Nag-melted naman siya. Mali ata yung gawa ko. Oops. Wait, ko muna guys ha. Ayan na yung lahat ng chocolate. Ayan. Ouch! Hot. It's so hot. Init naman. Ooh. Flip up. Wait, hiwain natin sa gitna. Ilagay natin yung chocolate. coffee. Ayan yung result sa pagdano natin guys, yung niluluto natin. Nalagay ko na siya. Ayan yung coffee cake. Ayan, nakakain ako ng ilang piraso. Pasensyahan nyo ng pag-slice ko ay nadurog siya. Okay, pwede nang mag-asawa ng 10. Saring. Ayan guys, thank you for watching. Ayan yung chocolate nasa gitna. Ayan, libre na yung snacks natin guys. Thank you, bye-bye.